sanity and then your special guy be a friend Gold Baron Obeba show you so but my name say what is asem we about a Ghanaian modeler Odrani here from Paris na okoye show allegation be about outside and then the Ghanaian model no be twetwe come right here yes say oko Paris okoye show odru honu mu ana ne maame mo boa no na wayaye oyiraye ayasemo but unfortunately no na nyampa because girl no Ghana ha akoye to send management no person ogu ne ho fin enti girl yi beba studio ha in fact your best friend was lying so you may be saying questions about the AC mame hint mo kakra issues of sexual allegation being so bemu against one Mr. with the mame relaxed din for now yentie lady no in so no super program so enti motion and so this is Asempa 94.7 FM a-Tete, the dawn of all dawns. And then you better war a bit of a change. You better studio discussion in addition to the interview. You better Nanadra Silky our war Adum 106.3 FM so on also Beba studio ha you better discussions into motion and some crisis. Yentie Goldman Baron Ninium or the aba a fresher or per se only a tricky uncommon. Someone him say me no buga tree but once in a while no we get it correct. All right. Asempa 94.7 FM made dami producer say Kejuwa na ene we were supposed to interview Kwao Kese nanka say your main guest but unfortunately no one and I don't know why one in fact me idea ebia na ankonye no ntina mpese me yedin no but I say muni na mun kai say ochina your Father's Day and say yeni na to me celebrate your fathers and say one hwe owo I say one hwe also move for a while or my fatherly love ebia okese wa funu ho so one so mu po ebia unim say wo papa bi wo baby ochina say asem bi to na yesiko for papa ba obetumi akwa friend no and there are so many reasons why we need to celebrate our father and Asempa 94.7 FM omo your Juma DB a friend no Asempa Father's Day Fanfare 2019 supported by Adum TV, Adum Online and Adum FM. Now you share with us what makes your dad unique. You want to tell us what it's about your dada. Wow, ufili say, we celebrating no. 1 minute short story we sending ya over to me anya some good if anything saying prizes be from us inti say what story be about your daddy we say we share was Asempa Father's Day fanfare na over to me atro number here to honum 024-828-6324 024-828-6324 024-828-6324. If you have a story about your dad, I'll say with it to Jano and Patrofafa line so a bedroom yen so hanum and a very interesting China Sunday 16 June 2019 na yen multimedia car park haya from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's totally free. Now Asempa Father's Day fanfare is sponsored by Abensio Explode Energy Drink and Darling Lemon Alcoholic Drink and Kovi Tiger Nut Powder and so Bibia be okay into China 1:30. In fact, from 1 p.m. onwards till 6, Mumbra Multimedia Car Park ha. Now you be a lot of other things they can't wait home. So many games. You be free health screening a mamo. You be arm wrestling, dancing, singing competition. The strongest dad. You be quiz, eating competition, and you be share wine. You be imagine the man of the day. It's all about celebrating our dads because share and you're easy to have a daddy. Ubi our friend a daddy. And numpo is an achievement. So ube be our friend a daddy. Ubi wa onim obi akra our friend friend daddy inti wo de wo bi ebi a wan hwe wo ebi o hwe wo pa but still say wo to me celebrating no it is very necessary into your channel in front of multimedia ya kapakaya Sunday 16th June 2019 Asempa FM Father's Day fanfare ye be diagro we are coming to eat, we are coming to have fun. Me and Kasano me wa ha me live na sisi ano yentie Gold Baron fufra or the abakra.
Asempa FM.
No money, no baby. I can learn I fresh baby. You never better, no baby. No baby, not an old lady. No money, no baby. I can learn I fresh baby. You never better, no baby. No baby, not an old lady. Kara asone pesola, mumbe garga. Dan de follow mo. Nala sune baso yendula. No money, no baby. Asone pesola, mumbe garga. Dan de follow mo. Nala sune baso yendula. No money, no baby.
The dream is seen. 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 Kalam say be hila hit ya. We taking over. Kalam say be hila hit ya. We taking over. Ten times when I call on them girls, them cutting my calls. Them rushing me now, them calling myself. Ten times when I call on them girls, them cutting my calls. Them rushing me now, them calling myself. The dream is seen. The dream is seen. The dream is seen. The dream is seen.
Baby me oh, I know one big love oh. Baby me oh, I know one fake love that I'm gonna get the money. You never they come closer. 10 times I they call on your phone. You never go the answer. Now you link off with the bar.
All right, the dream is big. Brand new song of Gold Baron. Now, and Gold Baron was Studio Moha. Gold Baron, what is saying?
Yeah, me Adam.
Gold Baron, I wish you said copper and silver. Because Gold Baron there, me my dream we me say oh bano, and not gold pete huni na, but you see copper so silver so aluminium, and me who there na say oh.
You too quainty, I've had to fee.
Mumbe so be able snatch him gold no. To say medical there no. We are very smart. Charlie, what is saying?
Oh yeah, me Adam.
Now ofi him. North. Enti North now feel now bank kind. I'll be promoting Munyumuhano.
Yeah.
And then in fact this is the first time I shared I interview Bia or feed the North. Now himself fancy gadam open and mobile down Hanum. And then for the first time no wabadan.
Maybe I send promoting.
And then you na achiwo honum
North. Oh yeah, I hate baby.
Baby
the North there baby who am I?
Enti dem big show na obo North. Because minister na say Shatawale ba ho wo ko honum bi. I don't know uncle because that was the biggest show in your area and kai say to me a display with skills are I don't know uncle.
Yeah baby.
Oman friend.
There be omo friend but me anga some me time.
They will say oman friend is
omo friend me.
Maybe 100 Gold Baron. Your family is none of those. Into Baha, you didn't come up, but still, and say to me, yes, smart. Okay. All right, now Gold Baron. I don't know. Who fast I didn't in the tour also.
I didn't dare. Me gold chuma.
We are gold chuma. I didn't galamsey for Okawana.
Yeah, galamsey.
Now good. Who you ma be now?
Like your company.
Company na oye juma.
Company na me juma.
Na then who say we music talent. Well we juma we good company. We are wadrin say obetonyum. We started nyum to on one ma inspiration no.
Oh Miss Terminate it is our devil no. Boy be person me. Because baby are not tight.
Deba.
boy be person JJ me cover be not tata me. Yes, I to him now honey na I say.
Okay, into unya inspiration from Deba.
Yeah.
Yes, and so far no enyuma hin na why. Enyuma hin. Like number of songs are why. When wine
many patapa.
Hey, patapizi.
Fancy gadam.
Hey.
Me aka some when you get money.
Okay.
To for there a lot a dose.
The I want patapa and the title of the same.
Nanaba.
Namaba.
Nanaba. Nanabi.
Okay, nanaba. Okay, my auntie and I hear skills at patapa a was annual.
Just reverse.
Gonna be in dead never be. Gonna be in dead never be. Gonna be in dead never be. Gonna be in dead never be.
About to my pie.
I'm in love. 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 I'm in love.
I'm in love. Love nanaba. Nanaba, I'm in love, nanaba, nanaba, I'm in love, nanaba, nanaba, I'm in love, nanaba, nanaba,
gonna be in dead never be, gonna be in dead never be, gonna be in dead never be, gonna be in dead never be. Hey, ni yaro sare kilo, ha ha ha, nyala na bi nyama. Gold baro, pata pizi, pata pa.
Don't be a don, don't be a good. I buy a baba, not best on the moon. No, don't be a don, don't be a nice. Sitting a baba, not best on the moon. I love you, baby. I said, my God, I need you, baby. I said, my Lord, not touch me, baby.
All right, so this is the song that Gold Baron features Patapa on. Now, Gold Baron, Patapa and San Obanyana featuring one Yum Sono. Dim Bruta. Now, then I share Patapa. And I want in a year, because Patapa no hunsem does so. Oh, goodbye.
a does by and does here.
Aye. Into when you understand, woman is the was it paid for an hour here, chair?
In that's already, as an we are the actual be the easy. Can't take dinner gold bar on now. Imagine what is
into which way?
Oh, if like or more. So true.
Yeah, fly on so too. You can't say Patapawa Germany be our gun and I'll fly call Hodom. No, tell was swag brutal. Into Ukoy and then see it.
Oh, yet Nazi. It didn't come about. Not first almost a new artist bar. But like now, only trust be a savior, you bet my yet don't open. Until Yamia, don't say my ear bro, don't open.
Okay.
Yeah, anybody, and Sunday, you know, yeah, money fly by north, and my trade video or north.
Into more video, maybe
the video. To not say and trade video, said Debbie, this over north now trade video.
Wow. Oba, no, meaning, but reception, no, how did you treat Patapa over there?
Oh, Oba, the Nije.
Aye.
Because cars I am a cars I have an item the name. Yes, I'm a month for garden. Come on.
Hey, from the airport.
From the airport to the hotel.
Patapizi. Now, Oba, women and girls there.
David.
Because Mekai said the last trip of coin, a Ghana celebrities do to that. Say Patapaba Hon or she we. You Namoba Honum no woman be
there are man again
and I will be sad baby make tampe you say or call or two can call pull and say no and then yago allegation to person be south say Obama Honum no mu be man
David
and I need they coded
there are PV
all right
busy patapa
don't be a don, don't be a good. I
buy your baba na best on the moon. No, don't be a don't, no, don't be a nice. Sitting your baba na best on the moon. I love you, baby. I swear my God, na need you, baby. I swear my Lord, na touch me, baby. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Worry, me, baby girl, yeah. Worry, me. Oh, baby. Worry, too nice. Worry, today. Worry, Coach got 2 pounds.
Into the Gary because me rap no patapa rap na it is here me what rap na say
I'm atiase
then there no kan we no bet me a che and I want say woni ma men kan say
like a person from Piasso me person in Piasso
okay kasa be no
afafra me person in Piasso
okay all right now Wunsro because there's this issue say when patapa ye nyoma na nyum ne hete a wan hwe ya na wa innovation no they acquire bibi foforo because nansen ya no ye ne obi ye interview one of the guys Mary Finidin kakra oni patapa ye nyum bi about what is that story no
mete
what ye no wakomentu because wo so woni ne wonyum
there be say ba ofia o hwe ne ni masana wa afia de fata no nti media nti intimacy sa
menti wase asema waka no wabu be
nti say oh
no wabu but me menti ase menim say tie for nso e bia na omo so omo anti ase nti say obetumi a kire ase yi a ebe boa ye ni na
say ma corporate to say oh about fee o hwe say deserve say akonje on deserve na obuto na happiness ne be kire
asema me be say on wunyi ma no ye me say wunsuro say enyum we wo promote sisi ano ehete a patapa betumi afa ne side no e de akoye ono na de because in fact recently no yes even one of the managers no the guy no nyum Darula good or the nyum obi the nyum ko MTN say omko register caller ringtones and sana guys nobody say they be nyum and almost so alleged manager of patapa be the bye say omodia because nyum no odin say ho enti anyum no go viral a wo din be yire awadwen ho
there
baby say my dad
oh so honest one say baron no ne ejuma
aden baron no aden we who patapa na because wo kasa na say patapa show baron bibi wo baron ho a on to me in this agon
say din gold baron anya din keke na fa to me ho
aden wo oju
really
you say mo am fi north on mostly no mo na kwa e bia obata carry see carry na talisman e wo bubu 100
she no
oh yeah sure into obetumi amaso amaya
oh she no
all right so now into Jenna Ben out to see and me say Afrobeat me say I don't know what do you think like type of song where to a dance hall and a Afrobeat and a Jamanium because we acquired this Jamanium beside there now to an auto in Nabi.
Metunina, like Metunina.
But which one na Wakuma Mudempa type then?
Oh, say me and I say Babqua.
All right, into open dance hall and so.
But Nina, the end, the best of Sylvia.
All right, and to see our Ghana, one of our favorite artists are when him say we feeling, even though we are artists, no, when you're anchor, we're for skinning and kaka.
Artists are any virgin or Shatawale.
Oh, now me feel anchor Obeka fancy gadam.
They say fancy gadam, you can't be
Macasio.
Say fancy guy, they can't be.
They be make us one now we need general like one who believe in among all the artists in Ghana from King Sack, Stoneboy, Shatawale, Fancy Gadam.
I don't including we Northerners artists.
And of course, some na more Ghana. Hey, na more Ghana. One who feeling the brutal.
Oh, Fancy Gadam.
Now, the popularity of Fancy Gadam Ewa North as compared to Yesa called the Stoneboy and Shatawale no. Oh yeah comparison ma. Obeka ne say omu ye stronger than Fancy Gadam and now Fancy Gadam ye stronger than one North Holland.
Yeah, strong say
fancy get am so much.
For the north on
North for.
I'm for Ginidi.
Yeah.
Inti Ubache say Shatawale ne Stone Boy ne Sakode omoba north for na fancy gada men kan ho makasi on kan ho number Yoshua Muma. Asem dey me pese me hu because me ni ho. Inti am pese me ho no. Muma. Because Martin say anyway would amame answer.
Hi.
Go Baron and this I will show go Baron.
Me show back. Say Stone fancy new
Makasi
new
and Shatawale Stone Boys Samini Sakode almost storming north almost free another artist to me and Yadom we are sure
say me kwa me fans de mechi me wa man for support te say bia magazine me be issue na say bia amman for obi beto no ha say ye ko han car for you turn and as say no o man for de echi nti enu ho de na e bia on be ya te say o mo ade be o me yadom
aden omo aye obi abeye show honum da wan use any of the northern artists are show na flop da because they say to me wo gina ho di bia wo dey support Asema wo kano
because maybe sack by but me kai date as an artist more no mo sharing a power of artist bia nti you can say for pay guru buy the same thing guru buy one for no because obi e for baron wo mo say dey be me or so sare enko
wow anyway more stamp more authority pa I like that if that is the situation because me see bibisa internet me bisa question but na me pay confirmation from somebody we feel north onum abadam and so far no unya GDA say we betumi break it through Accra because Accra is very competitive strategy be na wo apart from maybe radio tours how where should be ha na we ni Accra artist be collabo and de na e wo wadwemu a wo pese wo de launch ho Accra
me show wa
we to me aye show ha that means say we so to me using a local artist no ha no mo
use
it say hwan sa
and the damage drana
na dine do na all right Gold Baron was studio or a very new artist of the north and we are very happy say about the south in order for people to know what he's doing and yentie one more song from Gold Baron I get money yentie no na here
is Gold Baron
Cypher Connection.
Officer, Kabi Pandis man. I be you they know me. You know the way she they come me they bore me. When she they come me bore me. Money no BP baby come. Money no BP. Make it come right down my castle. Come right down.
All right, so Gold Baron in the background. This is a very beautiful track, if you ask me. Gold Baron, you need time too much. In fact, it will be Wahomano, so you per se you discuss some other issues. In the Asempa now, per se to draw. What do you want to tell people from the south? I'm Amutiu for the first time. Gold Baron, then per se catch your
the Macachum said the OBS did like the OTA radio show or take out so you don't mean answer. But like as someday won't say, I'm keep on supporting. Because they be a free no for bounty, Abia Omomba. And keep on supporting.
What social media handles here, dear?
Gold Baron, Facebook, Twitter, Gold Baron, Instagram, Gold Baron Movement. Oh, be beyond Gold Baron, the other people.
All right. So thank you very much for coming, and I hope say women have the support needed. Right. All right. Thank you very much. We just heard Gold Baron on Asempa 94.7 FM, and pretty shortly, I don't know Asempa Kana.
I am a mommy fans for me.
All right. Okay. But tell.
So go governors Magadu family Salma be win a blessed like Chibulas win a rule them.
Hey, wait. All right, Gold Baron, thank you very, very much. Right. Yeah, interview near come and find pa. Okay. All right. As earlier advertised, the model IFN Grace Ama Mensima Amponsan Bekasa. Na yenyanti yes sir. Omutu kwa enko Paris na omoko ye show. under modeling agency Elite Models. Now, I'm call here now. Grace Ama Jane, that is the allegation. The man that do two. And there was even a post. Have you seen this girl, Grace Ama Ponsa, 16-year-old, missing? Circulating on social media. Now, Asemno Akoye Nya Kaka, because Omuka said last seen in Paris, France, and Belgium. Eye color brown, hair color black. But gay is Wagana. How are you? What is the actual issue? The manager they Asem way etu because according to say the shows are person okoye no wo amanone no. Omo hu sa story ne pe na obi am person obe inviting the biom because omo show say omo inviting na obe dwane. Mo na mi say aponche ota dwane there. Say we to me chichi no wa homanso. Otherwise one very yeah. Obeko. That is the situation that she finds herself in right now. Now Sisiano ye wo Grace wo line so we are coming to get into this matter. Na yen hu Asempa FM. Hello Grace, what is saying? Oh, you sound very, very sad. We need to because of the story now about us. You say mo ko Paris no. O ko jane ampana.
Pasha bi anyampa.
And at the end they see ye. O call ye no first day. Wo manager and a call mpacho start from there my blow to blow account of DNC from the first time muju honum and when you got missing.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, yeah.
Pasha, a day before I able to find no. My manager tries over harassing me sexually.
Wo manager no mpacho your friend is saying?
Spark Julius Zuta.
What's it?
Spark Julius Zuta.
Stark Julius Zuta.
Passion.
Or try say obey harass in what way? Sexually.
Yeah.
Or so nufumo ana no kasai ana also to ana also private part.
Opposite onimenda.
Okache ana wona wadwen eye wo saa
dabi
okache wo straightforward
bibia happen ba ma allowing so my friend my parents my father and I'm talking about it but my dad told me say I should brush it off so on any better remember so me fini one me bafi
na
bafi na de chin na meeting airport na you took one. You drew one for me safety me jani ho na me call me friend wo.
Until one bona manie say you were about to leave. One bona manie o jani actually.
Man bona manie mo.
Ade wo feel say o bona manie o ma wo kwa na.
Minim nya no be because na dying back home and I ho obi ankan ho
woni ni dying back home
mpa ba ya no oni ska de be ko ye de be ka quarantine hotel and o ma ye ko na dan for and I be mo de ma ya no say dying back home one bed mpa ni po ya so
wow
yeah so for my safety no no yes
and now yes as some way a very, very difficult issue.
You no onim say me ba na kama be disgracing but my dad told me say I should brush it off no anu ni be kasa even I wanted to go to the police station.
Now Anka I was getting there now I just want to get some details because clearly, you know, who accuse you Obi of sexual harassment a very serious allegation. Intina me pese getting into your friend is saying how he did it. How did he go about it? Pacho men ferry because what they are saying to dry but I say it ye.
No matter to your try romance on paniso.
Or romance on panoso. Like on the side, fafa body.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and a fatherly touch and now I will share yanka money on the trim.
Touch also.
A fatherly touch and now we share yanka money on the trim because my sister was so friend and daddy.
Where the money on the team?
Where the who say where the fatherly touch?
Where the fatherly love?
Wow. Enti woka che wo papa no den na after mwaba Ghana den na wo papa aka che no den actions na wo papa take against ono Mr. Zuta no.
Me papa me cash I don't know. I catch me say on any mana police station because on it is very fine.
Wo papa down for one.
True me na me papa dey home.
Okay. Hey, Asembege pa. Enti press release na ba out no say why no. Wouldn't no manager kasai no. Explanation ben or mao say
I catch me say or yeah for fame amame or yeah na me dey agidin.
Sana o catch o.
Yeah, sana o catch me.
Oh, so now no suspect is Abia because now all romance we're into now Johnny and who feel say now no suspect is
oh who yeah Abia no na dream no fit remember out now be ka say now I no be ka say me Johnny.
Okay. So it's what a way to sort of counter any attacker Abia or no true say Abia we back out ain't it onu the kind the way back out first.
Yes. But later now me no back and I catch me say oh yeah for film. Or post pictures ne say run away. Na me nya film. Na me who say no all over Ghana say Grace and Ponsan.
Now, Grace, sad story. Don't you think that it has a potential of killing other, if anything, deals or because say Google would be able to internet away, they do a background check on you. Now, this story out there, say after a CCTV camera saw you running away, you vanished. Mono mame, and now a plan yes, would you on my journey?
Chat no, and yammy mamma na. And yammy na mamma chat here. Or no, na, or you soon a number, or save me mammy number no mom. And no name mammy air chat to send ya. Me na me chat. The or can we say, me sure say me call back to my manager. Later na me friend mammy na me sure no. Na mammy say na yammy na me WhatsApp na. Na me sure that yammy na say ni. Nti e hono na me alert me mammy say sa number no. Me manager no. Me mammy do only say about it.
Wow.
Only say onyo no catch me say me njane. That be.
Okay. Inti Sisiano inti na war radio, so you just want to clear your name. Say won nyane won call baby aye.
No
Ghana aye. Na
number we Ghana number.
Ghana number.
Na WhatsApp call na maka say data anti.
Ayamba because o amano ne ye frewa tone you different.
Oh no onim say outside on me person now because your first trip na Amsterdam no. No say or the make come man obi na matena Europe. I remember Ghana bio. But me catch and say that be. Me person me na play route to client.
Okay. Wow. Inti the first time I try something sexual on you was that Paris trip no. Apparently earlier on try BBR Sada.
A day and son ever travel.
Me say sexual harassment now or the ma and son am 2 point.
Never travel. Na yenya sika ye di be 2 kwan for so. Nti na me woni fie. Ye wa say be nya sika. Okay. Try it and me let me parents no ma o catch me send dia member fee.
Okay. Nti wo ko fie no honum ko fie mu.
Fie ne honum ko fie. Ti ade chi na me share no airport.
Now, where the 16 years and I a fake age now, Modi Tuja?
16 years.
The end time now is 16. This year and last year.
This year, me has 17.
And the end time, the month, the
27th August.
27th August. Omenya 17. Okay. Now, me say now we say my friend say now or kase wo boyfriend. Yampana.
Boy no, me boy say Opia, I say 24 boyfriend I ring.
It's like you and the guy Munye having any sexual relationship. Because that was the impression we got at a 16-year-old girl, our boyfriend, dear.
Indiana. Close friend. He's even like a brother.
Okay. Now, and also, what role did he play in all this? Okay. And also
also a flyer no ember out now. Devotee during competition.
Okay. All right. Oh, Grace, what's a mere mobile power? Because I call it to say now. After this, no, have you gotten any deal from Amanone? Because me from reading, me who say way to find we are modeling we person build the wall. Your friend is saying we image. After this story, no, when you any your friend is saying deal be ana.
After this story.
After story, we are breaking out. So we done no. Obi for contact will say be modeling man ana obi an contact we.
Normal contact here, contact or no.
Oh,
even so, be person on your madam from Pukeka or say card. Or be person on your just a friend in power say that be me phone on a card in money for Kono. I'm person me down for
now, we need social media account.
Show me social media account.
Say with the tudra so that you can also build your own fan base because necessary. Then no social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Fetudra.
Instagram. Me too. Amamensma _ Amponsa.
Amamensma _ Amponsa. And a Facebook and swear.
Nana Madada Basta.
Nana Madada Bading. Stack. All right. I said to me active on social media, and so because you need the numbers in order to complement whatever you're doing. Now, so far, no, is this the only man who allegedly sexually harassed you during your whole modeling career? Is this the first time or will be per se or harass you sexually? This is the first time. Okay, because 16 years, I mean, definitely.
I just said it's too quiet.
Now, I don't know, won't continue with school education because you are very young.
Completely SHS.
And school being now completely here.
Tema Methodist Day Senior High.
And to where Tema girl?
Aye.
Okay, come to here out here.
Community too.
Okay. TM for the more brutal. Now, all right. So, Sisi Ayate. Now you say your friend Mr. Zuta, but say the line in Kuchu. On far line, no. Kuchu, but on far. And you are now meeting or Kasa or Hits FM, but meaning the entire on Bepese or Be. Say and no one said I'm bored with so Papa Bia about the sexual harassment. No, meaning one said I'm bored so Papa Bia.
Oh no! Now my papa can say I'm share of music. I didn't want to
bring this issue up.
But out no person chance for me.
Now, Mate say what your some release be. There no release me when.
Me who on Facebook just now.
There no woman. What is the content of that release? You bet me a boy and tougher. There no release no more.
I say this statement is made in response to any interview given on 103.9 FM radio. Reading the disappearance of a minor supermodel in Paris. The general public and media house must be advised that past Zuta International Model Agency cannot comment on the presumed disappearance of our supermodel in Paris en route to Amsterdam and Spain.
All right, so in a nutshell, no, Asempa now can one can in your own words, can you treat in your own words, like Asempa no person can. So we're sorry, ana yehu, ana Asempa no can put a.
Pastor, ononia, all person on channel say, send your catcher me say, or yena Canadian film.
Aye.
And I miss my banana beka the truth of the matter no.
Me too.
Me Jane said on person you be cost because me unit.
Oh, okay.
And him say no be bad.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much, Grace. Say we need in drink more. Thank you very much. Now, my name say Ghana ate Asema Obeka. Now, your a ladies advocate was studio ha. No. And this was she brute. I friend Nana Adra Silky. Now, and Yebeka Wasem no. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to talk to you. Why? All right. Okay. Bye bye. All right. Asempa 94.7 FM. Silky Sweet. Yes, Charlie.
Not today.
Charlie, a BBI cool Silky. But you're over to me. I use the next mic now, mommy.
The designers here, not just a baby. To D. Come.
Silky.
Yay.
Na OTA Grace Asemi. My name say who story earlier on say Ghanaian model be Adriane. And people of the view there, this is giving Ghana a very bad name. In the sense people would find it difficult to allow some of our professionals to cross over to go abroad because and this is not the first time. And himself football and it gives Ghana a bad name. But unfortunately, this girl says Waba Ghana. And she had to run because now smooching me as a lady, coming from your angle, entertainment point with a lady, what do you have to say about this?
Prince, as we will say sometimes Otini say ana overflex will be in Giandi. I don't know the kind of contractor or a manager first of all. Secondly, as Obi already 16 years, I mean still I'm a minor anyway.
Oh, you're minor.
Thank you. So a minor now 17 years, I say 16 going to 17. Now yeah, fifi muna the parents beyond shut that because I hear cast anymore. I quite say ne mame or her cast anymore at the end of the day mame. And a guy in a fella or supporting a banner, a man buy, and I manage Johnny. What you say? Based on what contract Ben and you almost sign a Bushiano because so far as or a man on one day was so be out bem legally, Nankamwa sign. And I don't know, baby, I know come model or Paris, I'm a white company bang.
In fact, the agency near Zuta.
Okay.
So Obibe contacting her is through Zuta.
Directly.
Obey year is through Zuta. No, ne mama ne papa no. They don't have any direct link to the modeling world. Through sa papa no pe.
Oh, then that's serious. That is serious because now it's almost day almost banana shall risk him. Because I won't know because I can't make us already 18 above the I won't no better taking a decision. This is a lady I want to take on one decision. Depending on the age of Gina. Secondly, I said my move true the manager no and son the manager no e dey call or the nako. But me when I say call can na make no.
Aye.
Yes. I say man can
because she's a minor.
Thank you. I was saying my me and I say anybody guardian be e can ho. Na wo kukura kwala akọ. Me yes the manager no agent no call sir. I say who's a producer say yeah say almost have can but almost free on fa. Non kono so yet in the side because say ojane ne sen. Prince, not just in a way the documents in your nekutano.
Aye.
Is it
according to no. MBTN or hit FM now. I say girl left her clothes behind. The only thing she took was a passport.
Wow. And
from what girl catch them the day before Mutu kwano na papa no smooching no. It's not Osro because they were supposed to sleep on one bed in your hotel. Radam for fee. and I bet kitty. On one can say to me who scenario no but say and very
can't see honestly who should sa and who should sa anybody na who should sa pa but it's rather unfortunate. I don't know how desperate some people are, and I don't know how Uncle who say Uncle are ignorant and I say Uncle have passion for something and they want to take advantage. Because if what the lady is narrating is true, there's a manager and also a take
advantage.
Exactly, which a known company me feel say by law and say some person
I'll send the papa say I'm brushing aside.
That's why I have a problem with even the story from the lady. It's how I wish to hear the side of the manager to make a complete paper about this, because I'm saying lady nature can't be on to jantro because I had the casa na insist so mame although didn't come me who say come but they o push kakra then entiase bi ensi wo baby praise asam na no because it's smooching there. I don't know, because me when say okay say a day before mbekon, so I think when you push or say a day before mbekon ombetu kwan no or ye bibi similar. So okay, I'll say bibi similar. And no dem could hot cramp on shaky. Because obo ha ebomu sana one case any cha obo we visa vi ubeko it won't have submit it maybe so say be always me submit say e happen but now nim so be continue
you
know, and that's also being a bit me a very big case by the Ama lady, but it's rather unfortunate. Say such a minor now the parental guidance. I don't know how it goes. Anyhow, I be a monitor the near maybe or yet. Emma in can near maybe Becky can see any na ye jacola and kwana the manager na 7 minutes or 7 and manager na down for true or no.
I sit through or no.
I say, oh, here, na papa na so build some trust be. Man,
because no the your friends say Alpha and Omega. Girl be or no, or be too quiet or no.
And coming to think of it about the bad name it will give to Yang as the people who do professional modeling and gasano, it's a big deal. Because when viral on the internet,
yes,
say see I go partner them, you know, and it's a Ghanaian model.
Why you're missing?
And I make a bohono mas like just as I'm one day. They say, oh, my interpol cries on come more. Yes, because I am minor and I am missing. And I'm over no, I am missing when he Paris. Am I right?
Yes.
If he gives Paris a point, says, or him why embassy crampo, no, embassy or hand crampo, they have a way I come call Hakolano. But one casa Paris, so as I'm no normal and you normal sao. In call Libya Hunsen, and some I buy Hunko Emo. Internet a minor be say Jania Koshe baby, and I saw the Obiako baby, no hockey jam, no mine on a Janiaba. Nakwan bedrooms way. It's a prince that somebody dear. Ese Asempa, a-Tete moon for here. Because as a man microphone, so I encouraging from my near maybe crab worse than this. And I can say near man kitchen to trail move from all this Kuwaitness and near man kitchen be say people influence people without even going through the real mill. And one near womb. Not almost deceiving. Me sure said this man took the advantage of maybe the lady minimum background there. Baby or buildy bibi mom who say bia akola ne yiem and anko pe na enso ka de ne maybe and ebemba akola na abrabo me sure say there's more to it, whether we are not hearing the side of the manager or the lady in question is also not giving us the raw details of the issues
of the matter. Obi twancho baby
sana me hu no
akoye 7 minuses
bibi sa
7 minuses akoye 2
exactly
wanim say 5 Anna
Queen, I am person I can't watch him. The point now say the guy, the lady has a talent. You understand? Now, Emmy has a talent. I am modeling. I look, most are modeling and casa. Okay, I say Azupa and send we. Am I in a lot of them? Okay, it's a beauty pageants here and I am a picky a womb.
Because some of your models are Ghana, Victoria Lebanon. One.
Yeah, one of them. Yeah.
So,
in
fact, I mean, a few days ago.
Yeah. To Eugene.
Who got a wedding as it?
Pacho there be.
I don't want invite.
Yeah, strictly by invitation. I didn't have any. Oh,
they be say I'm coming in Eugene. My name, my friend is in Victoria. I'm coming Felicia. Oh, yes. Asem to me frɛ yen.
Akwa ye asem yesi nti odofu pankwa ye nti fane sa.
Na so what you say na or date me friend saying Kofi Ajololo something.
And say na ba viral e ma che say obi hu say papa ensusu no ade a isama no.
Energy drink. Na during the wedding ceremony no Miss G our Mama Joy.
Yeah, Joy. Yeah.
One Abekunya interview bi. And in this interview, no, Abeku can say, "Oh, Bibia amoye no, na plan." Enti, we dey yenti asema Abeku kan no. Okay. Some other interesting things we dey yenti na yemfa ho adwen.
Not okay. I mean, we plan everything. Eugene discussed it with me from day one, and I must say that I'm excited to see the two of them because I brought Victoria Lebene to Eugene, but I brought her to the family, so. They met through me. I met Victoria Lebene 2016 when she expressed her interest to come into the media, mainstream media. So we had to plan everything. Her entry, because she was a model. And as a photo model, the society will not accept her immediately. So it was a strategy. The penetration strategy, how to get her name out there, the Kofi Ajololo staff, the publication, Councillor Lutrot against, these were all mere PR stunts. It was a PR strategy. So don't be surprised. It's a journey. And this is the destination. They've arrived. This was a plan from 2016 and we're in 2019 and she has married. I'm so happy. Not at all. I mean...
all right, so wait here this now. ANTA Lutrot so because Abeku say a plan and ANTA Lutrot on the marriage. Asema Lutrot so can after the marriage. If
Ghanaian Diva marries Kofi Ajololo, what I'll do to her because she's a small girl. Ghanaian Diva is just about 27 years.
Ghanaian Diva, won't you say anything?
She please, she refuses to.
She will talk.
Ghanaian Diva,
I don't need her voice. No, I don't need her voice. Look.
Say we idea AC in 2016. Now the studios of one radio station. Abeku Mama's radio station, and this is what they did. Almost a plan thing, no. Into the planned your friend is saying thing we already so yeni na discuss here kase Kofi Ajololo we anyway yenti and no. So this happened in 2016 2017. The Abeku said they planned it, no. This is how the plan went. In the and then no.
If Ghanaian Diva marries Kofi Ajololo, what I'll do to her because she's a small girl. Ghanaian Diva is just about 27 years.
Ghanaian Diva, won't you say anything?
She refuses to.
She will talk.
Ghanaian Diva,
I don't need her voice. No, I don't need her voice. Look at the way she is. Let her cry.
Oh, Councillor,
allow her to cry.
Oh, she's actually crying. Somebody is truly in love with somebody and he's sitting and insulting. He's playing.
No, you now you gossip. You are in love with your father.
You
know this man.
Yes, what's wrong with
Don't mind it.
Everything's wrong. What do you mean? Small girl like you don't.
No, you listen and get her.
You want to kill the man already. You want to kill Kofi Ajololo. You want to kill Kofi Ajololo. You want to kill the man for us. The only
Papa not say wrong complain. You want to kill himself. You want to kill the man energy. Say what? No, we only manage the man.
You see.
What is revitalization?
So right now, Kofi Ajololo is using this as an energy drink. That's what I'm saying.
And then she like chemistry between them. What is your problem? Okay,
you know the chemistry and fix the biography.
They both want to use.
I prophesy to you.
Okay, so for in a nutshell, no, all this was fake. According to Abeku Santana, they planned it. All these things were fake. Now, yenti asema Lutrot kan after the marriage. Omu worry, yenti asema Lutrot kan.
Let it be on record that me say the taste of woman that Eugene Saffron Cancer likes is not Lebanon. It's not Lebanon. It's Lebanon. You have made another big mistake again for allowing yourself, if it's true, to be given to this boy with no hair, Eugene or Saffron Cancer. It will not last. I know. Because the taste of this boy is not this one. And I know what can happen because at a birthday party, no, or my engineer who said he tastes now Eugene now. Oh, who about to hey, now confused. He can't even stop his car. He can stop blogging. or to me funny camera or the dioba ne chimu odusa. Go to Instagram and see the pictures that Eugene has been taking. Women with enough body and enough breast. Now Lebene, are you going to do some silicone bottles for Eugene? Now Abeku Santana. Was so if you program say me kwa you na me ka. Let it be on record that me say the taste of woman that Eugene Saffron cancer likes is not Lebanon. It's not Lebanon. At Lebanon, you have made another big mistake again for allowing yourself, if it's true, to be given to this boy with no hair.
If it is true, that is the statement that for me I find interesting. If it is true, Silky, that means Lutrota or Kase Eugene and Adam from Po. Or no Ndio. If Lutrot, who is so close to Lebanon, or
Eugene, as he is saying,
and if it is true, say, or the Noamano, that means Onu Ankasano, he's entertaining some doubt as to the authenticity of our wedding.
Per what he is saying, yes, because I say if,
yes, because while we are close to them, you shouldn't be asking us if questions.
Yeah, you have to really clarify things
more.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, people are asking, is he continuing the hype? Because you see, I beg what in the talk say or can hype no.
Yeah.
Now clearly, why wouldn't him say Obiko worry just on that day and you put this out? Who say I worry from the word go?
You are right.
Over so check girl and say the body no kitano. It's not the kind of body ni kumpe.
I also you kuna down for.
Inti Silky, looking at all these things, let's start implications. Radio, so prank on radio. What do you think?
Yeah, Prince was a fumimu at a point. I think that it's really gone on about a week now. It just shocked everybody. A shock you be when the news came. Say, although I think it's the last 2 weeks is when we heard a little bit of the whole news. Say, Lebanon, Echo, Eugene, and people were in doubt. I didn't know why.
In fact, me and my friend Lebanon, she's my friend.
Okay,
and I'm a friend Lebanon. Say, well, Lebanon, I hear you're getting married.
Yeah,
and she says, to who? And I'm saying, to Eugene. As for me, I don't know anything, Me, I don't know anything. I say, Lebanon, Charlie, this is me, Prince. The Don, his FM. His FM.
You say waiting.
Number say, only I said, no, I don't know anything. And she was very cold. So, and I'm saying, okay, so it's not true. We say, it's not true.
Oh, okay.
Then, 10 minutes later, I saw an invitation through somebody else. And I'm saying, yeah, go sweet.
Okay.
Eti for while Silky man submissions no mun na motie audios no so mube to me the mwadriamba on the model issue no they are now or alleged say the manager now person or sexually harassing no ntino dwane no and this new one about out here na ye dey to just say Abeku Santana say dey amuye already listen na a plan because me Kofi Ajololo nso kasa ye no o say Prince I won't talk about this matter again and me who said no this man is not happy.
Okay.
Yes. 0302216545. 0302216545. 0302216546. 0302216546. 0302216545. Telephone lines. Inti ume to me adjoining yen one line. So I'm say yenya obi one line so you be alert mo 0302216545. 0302216546. Silky, now we hear submissions be answer na me invite callers no.
Yeah, send your mbebe muntineng because I someone there you be angon.
All right. Hello. Good afternoon, Pacho. You're from Asempa FM.
I'm from Linda Free.
All right, Pacho, contribution why?
So maybe the two issues na me bisa say Eugene Kwame Eugene and Asempa.
Debbie Eugene or Saffron Cancer, producer of your friend is saying
he works with Despite.
On a Despite for Ejuma. And you Kwame Eugene or Saffron Cancer. Or your blogger concern.com.
Thank you.
All right. You can also join us 0302216545 0302216546. So Asembika my ente hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Pacho, you're from Asempa FM.
Pacho Louis New Abosokan.
All right, Charlie, contribution.
Madam no pam your mom my guy. Who say me Lutrot me I we almost am no. me who me say on an adamfua. What you say? On an adamfua, and it's an adamfua no of say bia. Adia all ye no, and I say onim the choice. So what you say? And it's in case at the end of the day, na say obia basabia or no wala na say oni obia kwala. So you bet my friend against obia. Me am adamfua minim no pa de the choice ni. Ba e bia onim the reason why or the wako to start choice we. What you say? And me who say bia Lutot near or no near all grounds on the all can. What you say? And the whole issue, and I Santana already, or Becano. And to me, say, a webinar more yet. Even the machine of my family, your my God.
All right, yeah, so yeah, that was a no contribution. What's over to me, our friend? Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pacho, your friend saying, who for him?
Pacho, me about my having Benghazi,
having Benghazi. All right, having Benghazi in Pacho Kasawai.
But the Maka family Pakistan.
Yo.
Let me say, a Canadian say, you're penny for ya almost a pay a Juma Mayan, a pay one Mayan, only 8 years, Yamokakra. Because I buy back it one I won't do now, what range you see. Now, we person will buano now, one each, and one person will get to see a old deal way to see you. At the Brian, a Yamisu, a Yamisu. I can't see a swing on me. You didn't have to tell me a penny. I pass the Dutch woman, Dutch massive wool. Almost any you, and no way, and why you. Mina Berman. Also, we are the Brian. Mina Bano, the man who could say. The man who could say. On Shannon Walking, not on Dimmy Lemu. Oh, when you miss swinging to the moon, and you miss swinging to one more. But did he say, Sanyama with night to become an eating kunim? Amen.
Amen. Amen. No, thank you very much, Benghazi. All right. Asempa 94.7 FM. Also over to me, Afrayeng 030. Hello.
The door.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
The door.
Yes, boss. Pacho, your friend say for him.
Me didn't papaya. Other than after the second mayor.
Oh, second mayor. Second mayor.
The door.
Second mayor. Pacho, my angel contribution. Right. Second mayor. Yo.
The door. It's a form of my mom. Any check it. Utu want check about 16 years girl. I only 17 people. Now the whole buana. She quite offer so the abuano. I mean, Obama girl, me did find one ya papa. I was cafono. Omoto no matter bush of now. She said, oh, Tentino. Ama, she said, la Jango who papa no more. Why? They don't that.
Second mayor, me that was say. All right, Asempa 94.7 FM 0302216545 0302216546. Munkai say Ochina in front of the multimedia car park. Yebeye Father's Day Fair. Asempa Father's Day Fair. Na ebeye butu pa inti mumra from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Na it's totally free. Yebeye free health screening. Yebeye arm wrestling, dancing, singing, strongest dad, quiz, eating competition. My friend, the brutal mumbrana enye fewai. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Pacho, your friend was 7 for your
friend Kobe me Kasafri 7.
All right, Kobe, Pacho, my contribution why?
No, sir. Then kwame dia ka no manager na your friend no one picky. Your friend not one picky. Masa mun pe police man na police for uncle fano. Masa jail kra uncle. Because Ajimboni na ba ni tin so obi a obeboa no. Na se o pese won sa ne ni. I don't pese o plug na na. 16 years. I don't pese o plano. Jail kra in chance on be 6 months man on come na no make na ni masem.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Gadon.
Yes, boss. Pacho friend saying.
Pacho FM Nana Kwame. Me feel free. Amasama.
All right, Nana Kwame. Pacho Bonite.
Pacho, Lebanon. The number 7 can be.
Yo.
I think say Frank Uma because a person like Ayulu wouldn't be and then so you on eventually more than that kind of it is indicator or one or more but it was a small resource and because the big food now are kind of say if it's anything to go by there little there
Omawari or Kanya and the Frank Namukos.
That is the impression I Mr. May get it.
Because social Katana or Kana Kasemua, which is I say, UGM saying, Frank Namukoso. I think Unya Hyper, and then you may be saying so.
Yes, yes, that is the issue.
And you're fine.
On radio, live radio.
And you're fine. To say, I'm Parana Bamadian Echomo, and Penifona Mudian Muna Yashamono. What did not that? And the Parana no movement. I think it's really not cool.
All right.
That's all me that.
Madam Super Wakasa Mamenia Aje. Hello, good afternoon. Yes, boss. What are you saying?
United States of Kisima.
Oh, United States of Kisima. Oh, I will. Charlie, no, cool. Nice one.
But what sick or
why?
Okay.
Silky waha. All right.
Share you boy or juba.
ABO she can show you.
Oh yeah.
All right. Over now on contribution. Yes.
Can we take either Abeku or counselor serious in this country?
That is the big issue. I've even asked them to call Councillor Lucho so that we raise him on the line and ask him this question.
In fact, so if would the young person say a planting or more year? Now say a planting next time say Ubi Bibina say I didn't serious can we take it serious? Minister Nepone. Boy, I need to know because the councillor will come and tell me, so, pastor. Any Abeku, they should very careful. That girl, no, or no, say so, pay hyper. This kind of way, and they say, using for hype. Ajolulu, Papa, we need. And say, who shall not be a command? Say, Mika say, a faker. They should be very careful. But, Minia.
Yes.
Girl, no. Lady now we interview no.
I model no.
I pity for this girl, but I wish say we should hear from the man.
Yes, in fact, on
but lady no me I see said there's something wrong somewhere. On nukrebi on can nukrebi. Me I it's my prayer say we should get the man. We hear from the man, then we'll conclude.
In fact, yes, I do remember why. Yes.
They don't.
Yes, boss.
I just think bye bye.
All right, this is interesting. Asempa 94.7 FM and a-Tete na yewoi, and pretty shortly we'll be saying goodbye to you. But in case you want to chip in something before we go, 030-221-6545, 030-221-6545, 030-221-6546. Hello. Good afternoon.
Fine.
Pacho, your friend was saying everything.
Miss Oman Bapa, Tracy Elmina.
All right, Oman Bapa, Pacho, my contribution, why?
Pacho, brother.
Yes, boss.
This is my first day, my blog program.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, Zama Osio, Ghana. It's lady no, ma'am no, it's true. It's not true again. I'm about to make her because maybe pity ma. I understand that the Oba Frowan can descend because of money. In just my own country will be on board. The man on Kodo, lot of guests what pay Juma say man in Jama the letter on one da oh for Juma. You see, I am going to be Kodo. It's very true because of Yaman Yenti and the Bogan way. It's already 2 months, 15 to 16 years, 17 years, when you're 17. And that's again because of model. The Africa won't to make I get to work for my on out because of our winter. I am not going to Ghana, and I mean, like Pennyforces for them Subano.
Yo, Medawase, Wakasa, Mameniaji. All right, Asempa 94.7 FM. And Silky, I mean,
yeah, I say, just the drone and a phone, so I bet you my own. The only thing one say a combine and an explanation about it, all stands. Should you entertain?
Yes.
First of all, the entire explanation by Abeku Santana, Ebe making such a statement. I'm a deception, a crown, Abemu more. And I say, why did you have to deceive the listeners whilst we believed in what you people did?
Yes.
First of all, one say stories in the Bible, almost say Kofi Ajololo's X energy.
Yes.
And no one and I'm explanation about Kaima. You see, it's why I stand in a day, but in a way, no one history of Biadaho, at least the lady in question happens to be dating Kofi Ajololo. It's a non for a target, say, just nipa ne money dio. Yes, X, it's nipa no cranka, brand name Lebanon and Emma. It's the only thing and S energy, you know, what they are target. Today I'll see a back out because there be more S energy, Nadia. No, stand. No, the reality, and that's what it will cost. It's all stands and the best me wow, but one disadvantage now more higher. What yes, I think that we should know what we do and all that, especially when we are actually putting things across or staging things. And a staging maybe let's give segmental. Now make culture. I can't say when a cage workers. I can't say your shows be high segmental. Near who say higher sata, high say. Now because a quiet say be say strictly a show be you should pick it serious. Be a PMU baby original there. Now yes, everything is so put in, so it has to be as authentic as possible.
Yes.
What yes, I think say make all these things. Now and you say what it has its segment, right? About a-Tete and also on the segment. Oh, you be also it has to be genuine.
And
oh yes, Satan so signal the people so that even the same court now more baby and it will be better now as we have it here.
Yes.
The divorce court, people have their issues, they bring it in.
And they say, you know it's make believe.
Thank you. They bring it in and they create everything. And now to say it's make believe, but it's will be fear. It will actually wait me to be but let the psyche nipa na jone. Mema na nyen say DNA and okrepa. At the end of the day, look at what has happened. What you see.
Yeah.
And then subtitles then man for them the whole show. Then explanation then akwa what you say we should know how we actually create our stance. Then at the end of the day, no was a tag and a kotale ho na how because
sir. My main kind is on Facebook messages. Abefe Bonale Listowell say watching you live from Antwerp at Desina in the Ashanti region. I would have been happy if Kwaukesi was able to come to your studios. In fact, unfortunately, no. I don't know why Kwaukesi didn't make it in last moment. On friend producer, I mean, just about an hour to the show, so and I was want to me.
That was bad.
Experience na idea put the show together, and it just say
the production is very strong.
Yes, even though your guests are 7 years, we were able to pull off a good show. And me person me do to jam me producer can once in a while. You be such panel, such kind of discussions. Say anya studio guest, we quickly put in some issues. And Opoku Martin say, good afternoon, the Dawn. Derek Ofela, I say, watching you live from Adenta Barrier, wishing my daddy Pastor Christian Ajekum Father's Day. Please wishing my father Christopher Opoku happy Father's Day. And that is Opoku Martin. Now Emmanuel M. Awule says from United States of Kesemam, good afternoon. In fact, whatever Abeku Santana says was unnecessary, waste of breath and wrong timing. I will urge both couples to rather concentrate on their marriage. In fact, our media is turning into comedians, and we are learning as people. What are we learning as people from the media fraternity? Can we take Santana and Councillor Luttrell serious? Very big question. And Emmanuel Awuli Bisa. Now, Kwamina say, Don, the manager is very wicked. And when you follow the comment from Hate Interview, it tells you that we should be careful with that guy. Say Kwamina not Hate Interview.
All right, then. Okay.
And Papa Kasaya will hits.
Okay, then we should.
But I don't know why now on person or Kasaya. Now, to this says if you don't have anything to hide, and I say to make us some. Joe Kennedy say, Nanadra, please please keep your natural resources from the so-called big men. They are dangerous. And natural silky winner, Kasha say, with natural resources, no, Joe Kennedy, or say with natural resources now one, na face because I'm out for poetic
rhyme. Thank you.
All right, now Chris John say, Eradinyami, Oman Benkrani, Asemba madam, say the truth. Don't try to be smart. That is from Chris John. So
based
far,
on the ladies' interview.
Yes, based on the ladies' interviews. We are very sorry, say, it was through no fault of ours.
Exactly.
And I don't know whether it was because of this Abeku Santana story. So I wouldn't say Abeku brother and the manager, no.
So,
wow,
okay.
I don't know, but I don't know. Assembly American, maybe I'm wrong. I'm just speculating here because me I may take assembly quite
differently.
Yes, and Minimza is not too happy about it. But Jumana it's pure professionalism, and so to make will be the one. To make was over there, and you must take it in good faith. So far as to be and try and go, so it's a different thing. But in the meantime, Asempa Father's Day Fanfare 2019. Now, in fact, because we want you to come and celebrate your daddy. Now, Obahanum, so I'll bet to me the daddy above. One in the Baha, your free health screening. Young men and women now, more fathers, so there are so many games that we are going to have. You may have arm wrestling, dance, singing, strongest dad quiz, and you may eating competition. And will be a open janepa, but patcho de bra. Men did you bra because eating competition ye pair only a qua or bet me did eja and nadamfo.
And yes, and one pack for the door of one pack.
At the end of the competitions now you be selected the man of the day.
Yeah.
We wait to me the Asempa man of the day for the Asempa FM Father's Day. It's very interesting. And let's join and have fun to celebrate our fathers. We'll be winning lots of prizes as you celebrate your dad. Ye dear girl, ye celebrating your daddy nano, then ye winning prizes. It's a total package. And this will make watching after church 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. in Paucho in front of multimedia. Nanaja Silky, Hiya, Adume from Hiya, Multi TV, Hiya, Joy FM, right here, Mewoha, Kejwa Bewoha. The whole multimedia crew as multimedia crew bewoha Joe
crossover Joe Jubilee House or so genuine or so bad and then
Daddy Opanke Muni na yes, a lot of artists pass through so just to celebrate their fathers. Mpachombe to me is from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. and Oba had the opportunity to take selfies with any multimedia staffer who had man out in radio, so because we will all be available. Yenina, all the Asempa FM crew, Nina, Hits FM crew, Adum FM crew, and Joy FM crew.
It's a family thing.
It's a family thing. Into Mumra na Yenji and Elchena, and that is about it for Happy Father's Day. Now, and Obi birthday and Nipakono or a very special guy. Madam Fupa your friend Daddy Opanka. Or China in fact, and na Daddy Opanka birthday, but Ochina so Babe pass it through birthday boy no, or Babe pass it through Kimbongo, Babe pass it through all the stars prayer, or Babe pass it through Kwame Yuji Munina. All the guys are coming into yourself so bana. Let's all be as one family and let's have fun. Into me was special Numa maybe ama Daddy Opanka featuring Adina. We are sure. Into thank you very much for listening to Asempa a-Tete 94.7 FM. So your friend, the dawn of all the dawns now. I'm on for be friend, Mr. Controversy. I'm on for be friend, Mr. Kokonsamba. Me and Kasano, my friend who don't lose you. And coming up next is Kejua, and remember, say Kejua Neye Sports Avenue programmer Etwaso. Keep listening to Asempa 94.7 FM. Dame executive producer say ye your friend is Sami Irenchi and Gifty Antat. It was social media so. and Nelly on social media. So next week, same time, we are going to come your way with some more entertainment right here on Asempa 94.7. But in the meantime, Daddy Opanka, we are sure, Ochina bro, we are sure, so Baba, say we are sure. Daddy Opanka featuring Adina.
Good evening, so from your Belgian side condition. I would like you to spin me sure, coming from the camp of Daddy Opanka featuring Adina, dedicating this special song to all my loved ones out there doing the listening. Thank you.
All right. Let me say, particular fire, and then said no. Into Moody Baum say a celebrity Daddy Opanka is one of the tough guys are more industry no more boy, and definitely we are going to